imagine coming to school and you see someone snoring in the class, and when you ask that child, he or she will tell you, I ate fufu before coming, because fufu is one of the major and common food a lot of us grow up eating before going to school. So how can I forget the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here, the almighty fufu? We all know that this has been saving us right from back in the days. You can imagine coming to school and you see someone snoring in the class. What a day. And when you ask that child, he or she will tell you, I ate fufu before coming, because fufu is one of the major and common food a lot of us grow up eating before going to school. You can imagine eating that heavy food and you still take to school. In fact, let me say it's the conqueror, the lion, and the king of all of childhood memories food. Okay, so in today's video we are making fufu now, the emperor and the conqueror of them all. So what we need to do, after slicing our fufu, add it in a water. Use warm water to soak it. Okay, if it's back in the day, there's a way you take it to the stream, or you soak it at home, cover it with some leaves so that it will ferment. Okay, so this time around I tried using this method for it to ferment, but actually it didn't ferment. It didn't give me what I wanted. But after 2 days of soaking it, this is what we got. Actually it didn't ferment. So what I did next was to blend it. After blending, I squeezed out the water from it. After squeezing out the water from it, the next thing we do is to go straight to our pot and start cooking. But before then, you have to wash it, Fermentation just means the softness, okay? So I know a lot of people have different way of cooking this. And back in the days, I remember we normally use mortar, which is the mortar and the pestle, to pan the fufu. But since we are in a modern world and I don't have all those things, so we are using blender to blend the cassava. Now remember, the water, you can set it aside, it has another value. So everything about cassava, one thing I love about cassava is this unique. I think almost everything part of the cassava is very important and useful. So like the back of the cassava, you can use it to feed our goats, you can use it to feed your goat, your animals, so especially the goats back in the days. So the water, you can also use the water to make starch. There's some people that make starch with it, to make starch. Some make starch and eat, like swallow, while some make starch for their clothes. So you see, everything about cassava is so important. So after squeezing out the water, this is what we got. What we do next is to transfer it into a pot, and in a low heat you start stirring. This time around you just have to add a little bit of the water, or ordinary water. I personally add okay, then you keep stirring over and over and again, okay, because we don't want it to have the lumps, we want it to be smooth, so you keep stirring them. When you stir them, sweetie, you start noticing the changes. That's why I say you should just add a little water and keep stirring, not too much water. Then you notice it's changing, then little water and cover it in a low heat. Allow it to boil or cook properly. This time around, when I take back, sweetie, our cassava or fufu is ready. The color change automatically, and you will notice that it is properly cooked. So what you need is to set it aside. Use your spoon or wherever to scoop it and put in a cellophane nylon, or you can eat immediately. And you have put it in a place whereby you preserve it, or add in your plate and pair it with any soup of your choice. But it's better when you eat it with okra or bono. Oh, it goes serere with it. That is how it goes. So sweetie, let me know if you'll be trying this, and tell me which of this remind you of child while growing up. Which of this was so common that you cannot do away with? Let me know at the comments below. And please, if you like this video and you find it interesting, please don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and get notified anytime I post a new video, sweeties. I love you all and see you all in my next one. Bye bye.